Hey everybody, it's your girl Kiki Rich. I am coming to you to show you how to do your makeup for a beautiful day-to-day routine. This is not going to be anything too fancy for all my beginning ladies. We're going to go ahead and just give you a nice soft look that you can do whether you're going to work or whether you're just going out for the day. But if you love this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. So I don't know if you noticed, but I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I already shaped them. So we're just gonna jump straight into things. So the first thing we're gonna do is get our Tarte Poreless, and we're just gonna go ahead and prime our face. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a tip that my friend Raven showed me. And if you wanna go to her page too, you can subscribe to her as well. This is the color Fawn, and we're just gonna go ahead and use this and put this on our blemishes. And this is just gonna help cover those up. Cause like she said, if you got some pimples and they marked your face up, it's really good for going ahead and just covering those up. So we're just gonna cover those. In my other videos, I did do a corrective concealer, and that was that orange color you guys saw me use. But I'm not gonna use it this time. I'm just gonna use a little bit of concealer. Okay, so now that we're done putting on the concealer, I'm gonna go in with the black Opal Truly Topaz foundation, and I'm doing things a little bit backwards than what I usually do because I usually like to do my eyes and then I do my face. So we're gonna go a little bit backwards. Some people like to use a foundation brush when they do this part, but I just like to go in with my beauty blender. So I have this one stubborn spot that will not go away, so go back in a little bit more with your foundation and just really cover that up. And I'm gonna mix the Fawn one that I used before for full coverage to help out, and the medium beige. Be careful of your brows too, because I know sometimes when I'm doing mine I accidentally hit them and it messes it up and you have to go back in there and touch them up. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup as my setting powder this time. I usually use the Ben Nye, but the Sacha works just as good, and I feel like it gives me, you know, that glow I'm looking for. On our chin. And I put this anywhere that I feel like I'm gonna crease. So like my forehead. I feel like I always crease on my forehead. Right here on my sides where I smile.
You know a girl be cheesing.
And I usually go and do my line too, where I contour. And I draw the line for more of a defined look. So now that we're done doing our powder and everything and we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and get to the eyeshadow. This is from the Lamora collection. I actually got this as a gift and I love it. We're gonna use the Morphe palette. Oh dang, I forgot the concealer. So actually let's go ahead and we're gonna take our concealer and we're just gonna put a little bit on our finger and then just spread that across the top of your eyelid. I swear my long nails are always hindering me. I can't even get in the crease fully. Right, so do you see the difference? It just brightens them. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. Now we're gonna go in with the Morphe palette and we're gonna use the browns and all your natural tone. We're gonna start with this color in the corner and we're just gonna put this over our entire lid as like a base. And when I'm blending, I'm just going in circles, little small circles, and trying to be careful of my eyebrows because I'm one of the ones that are good for always messing them up after you done got them perfect. And then you're gonna put this right in your crease. We're putting this right on the actual lid right here. And you can blend that up into your crease just a little. And if you guys want to add just a little bit of pop, or you know, a little something to it, you can always go in with the shimmery color to add to your tear ducts. I'm just gonna put that right in the crease and on the corner. Only on the outer edge though. Just gives your eyes a little more of a 3D effect and shape them out. I'm gonna go ahead and get this powder off. I'm gonna go in and touch up our contour. And some people don't like too much contour, so for this part, this may be okay for them. For our contour today, we are using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is the medium to dark one, which is perfect for my skin tone. I always mix the middle one and the very end one, which is the Sculpt and the Contour. You just go right under where you feel your jaw would be. And then you wanna just blend that out. I always go into my hairline as well. See, it's just a little bit more defined. And I do my double neck so I can make sure I get that looking skinny too. That's the most important part. If you feel you have any powder left over, just blend it out. We're gonna do just a little bit of blush. And this is the Black Up blush color. And I like it because it's peachy. Sometimes if you smile when you're doing it, it helps you put it on in the right area because you can see where your cheeks should be. I don't have beautiful apple cheeks like everybody else. Today for highlighter, we're gonna use the Tarteist. And this is the Volume 3 palette. It also includes a contour palette as well. And I'm just gonna highlight with the Bronze 4 and 5 because I don't want to be too bright. So now you're just gonna take your fan brush and dip a little bit in there, and then you're just gonna go right over your blush. Please do not make yourself look like Rudolph. We don't want to see you from a mile away. Let's get to those eyes. What we're gonna do is use some of our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and they hit it right on the nail because this mascara, it does wonders. I don't have no eyelashes, but I feel like it helps me so much. So we're just gonna put that on before we apply our lashes today. Take your mascara and shift it side to side. I gotta have my lashes though, you know. I feel like they're the one thing that makes your whole look pop. So if things look weird the way I'm doing it, it is because I am a lefty. So I do things in reverse and things are just gonna look a little more awkward than when you would do it to yourself. Let's finish off those eyebrows too with the Anastasia. It's the clear brow gel. This thing, honey, will hold your eyebrows all day. When you're putting your lashes on, if you apply the glue to your finger and just swipe across your eyelash, it actually makes it a lot easier than trying to squeeze the glue directly on there. You have to be way more precise. While we wait, we're just gonna fan it. And this is to dry the lash. It's very important that you dry it a little bit before you put it on because if not, it will slide all over the place. While we wait on those to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and just set my face with some setting spray. This is the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Sun Spray. That one is personally my favorite because I'm very oily. I like to use anything that's matte or anything that is gonna take away all that shine. I also have the MAC Prep and Prime, but I feel like that one makes me oily toward the end of the day. So I'll either mix the two or I'll just use the Urban Decay one. So we're gonna go ahead and apply our lash. When you do these, I like to use 2 tweezers. This helps me kind of just guide things onto my eye because I do not have steady hands. So I shake and it just helps me kind of place them where they need to be. And I try to get them as close as possible to my natural eyelash. That is when I feel they look the most natural. I'm just gonna wait for the glue to dry a little bit before I start like pressing and maneuvering the eyelash because I don't want it to fall off. We're going to use the MAC Cork lip liner. And I have little lips, so this is a very important step because I want to make them look as full as possible, and when I don't do any liner they look so small, so this is important. And I usually don't like to line my lips and overdraw them too much because I do personally feel like I can always see when people do that and it looks weird to me. So I try not to do that for myself, but I know a lot of ladies really like the overdrawn lips just to make them look fuller. You know, everybody's going for fuller looks these days. Did I get there yet? No. When I do my gloss, this is the MAC Nymphette. Don't ask me to pronounce that because I'm not even gonna lie and say I do.
Looks like Nymphette.
That is the MAC lip gloss that I'm using, and I'm just patting that in. I'm not like moving them like this. None of that, just pat. Okay, so we're gonna finish this up with some of the NYX liner, and this is the jumbo pencil. It is the 604 Milk. I really like this pencil because when I do dark colors under my eyes, I feel like sometimes it makes my eye look darker. So I'm just gonna put this on my waterline. We're gonna go back in with that Better Than Sex mascara, and we're just gonna apply this to our bottom lash line just to give it a little more of a dramatic effect. Why is it that we hold our mouth open when we're doing mascara? My brother pointed that out to me like 12 years ago, and I still can't stop doing it whenever I'm doing mascara. I just hold my mouth open like, but I don't know, it's how I do it. We're gonna go ahead and press our lashes together with our fake ones. Look at these lashes. Y'all gonna try to tell me that y'all don't like lashes? All right, I think we're finished. Get a camera, you're sexy. Okay, but let me stop playing. This is it. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure, please, to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel because I will be coming to you guys bringing you more lovely content like this. So give it a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it.